Hello everyone, friends. On the Wells channel, today I'll show you what to do if Android Auto isn't working or won't connect to your car. So for this, you'll need to go into settings. Here, type in Android Auto. Android Auto. Let's go in. Here you can connect your car. Also here, set the button to always, so it always starts up. Android Auto, so it's always on and working. Next, we go in again and type Android Auto. Oops, here it is at the bottom. So go to app info and give it all permissions. That is, we go into permissions. Yes, here I have everything that's allowed and not allowed. So go to the ones that aren't allowed and tap allow. This is important because it can affect how the app works. And next, if that doesn't help, then go to storage and cache and completely clear the app's cache. You can also completely uninstall it, yes. So you uninstall it, then go to the Play Market, Play Store, and here tap the uninstall button and download it again. There you go. And as a last resort, you can try checking for updates to your phone system or just restart it. That's all. This was Wells. Bye, everyone.